This video demonstrates how to apply for an accreditation as a work placement company online on the website of SBB. Go to the website. Select English language. Select I work at a company. Select Become an accredited work placement company. Select our video. Watch the video.
SBB is the foundation for cooperation on vocational education, training and labour market. On behalf of the Ministry of Education, we assess whether companies offer a good and safe work placement to students.
Thank you for offering me a work placement. An SBB work placement advisor will contact you shortly.
During the interview, we'll identify what the student can learn at your company. We'll also discuss the conditions. If you can offer a safe and educational work placement, I'll accredit your company as a work placement company.
By doing a work placement, I learn more about my future profession, practice the language, and get to know your culture. Moreover, I do my part in the workplace, and I enjoy talking about the Netherlands and what I learn at school.
The transfer of knowledge and experience takes time, but it brings you and your employees enjoyment and fulfillment. If you have any questions about matching, training and coaching, please contact us. I'm happy to help you organise the work placement as well as possible. Together, we evaluate your accreditation as a work placement company.
Accreditation by SBB is a feat to be proud of. We look forward to working together. Thanks to you, we ensure the best possible work placement experience abroad for the student. For more information about SBB, please visit our website.
Select Do the quick scan. Select Start. Select all reasons. Select Next question. Select only the first 7 options by clicking on the checkboxes. Select Yes. Select Next question. Select Yes. Select Next question. Select Yes. Select Next question. Select a practical placement, Bold. Select Next question. Select Yes. Select Training. Search for Hospitality Manager Entrepreneur. Press Selected. Press OK. Scroll down and select Training Summary. Select Results Quick Scan. Continue the application by reading all explanations by clicking on the text balloon. Select Yes. Start the accreditation request. Fill out all your contact details, such as your first name, your surname, your email address, and again your email address to verify. Select Continue. Select My application concerns a non-Netherlands resident company. Fill out all your company details. Select Contact Details. Select Yes if you are the primary contact of this company and add the missing details, such as your salutation, your initials, your date of birth, your job title, your phone number or your mobile phone number. And also fill out that you also become functioning as a work placement trainer. Select Yes. Select Work Placements. Select I'm looking for a student. Select Work Placement, AOL. Fill in the number of work placements you would like to offer. Check whether the address, application, your phone number and email address is correct. Select the desired period that you are able to accept students. Fill out the explanation work placement of the purpose of the student. Do some advertisement and promote your company in the best way possible. Select Summary. Select the checkbox that yes, I agree to the conditions for accreditation and regulations. Check the details by clicking on it and make sure that you filled out the right details of your company, your contact details, and the number of work placements that you are offering. Select Summary. Select Yes, I agree to the conditions for accreditation and regulations. Submit application. A pop-up screen will appear stating that you received an email to verify your email address. After you have submitted the application, you receive an email similar like this. Select in the email, I would like to continue the application procedure. The hyperlink in the email refers to this screen. Select Continue the application procedure. Select again the checkbox, yes, I agree to the conditions for the accreditation and regulations, and then Submit application. Green will appear stating application completed. SBB might contact you by phone or email.